Hola y bienvenidos a Español 135. My name is Tara Greatorx and I will be your instructor this semester. I'm looking forward to working with you all. I hope it's going to be a great semester. I hope you had a great summer. As you know, this is a fully online class, but I just want to let you know that I'm here for you. So even though we're not seeing each other face to face or on Zoom, I'm always here for you. If you have questions, anything, like I'm a real person, I'm here. So just a quick course tour so you know how our class is going to be set up. We're going to start where it says start here. And the first thing you'll see is this video. So obviously you're watching that right now. The next thing you'll see is our calendar. So if we take a look at this together, at the top of the calendar, we have the list of all of our assignments. So every week we're going to have a homework packet. The homework packets, you have unlimited attempts, so just keep doing them till you get 100, and it only takes your highest grade. Then we have a quiz every module, and those quizzes, you only get one chance to take them, and once you start them, you have to finish them. With the homework packets, you can go in and out of them like throughout the week, but the quizzes, it's just like you got to sit down and do it at one time. Every module will also have a speaking recording, so you'll be answering little questions in Spanish or asking questions in Spanish. We have 2 pronunciation projects where you will read a text to try to get accurate pronunciation. And then we have 5 discussion boards. Those are all in English, and they will be about cultural topics. We have one field-specific project where you're going to be interviewing someone in a medical field that you're working in or interested in. And then we have a final video project where you're going to do a small skit in Spanish. So if we look at the actual calendar, we have 15 modules, 15 weeks. The week opens on Monday and it finishes on Sunday. So you have all week to do the assignments. And then the assignments generally are due at midnight or 11:59 on Sunday. When we have discussion boards, your initial post is due Wednesday of that week. So you can take a look here. This column here has all of the things that will be due. So we can see for our first set, we have to do the introduction discussion boards, the week 1 quiz, the introductory speaking assignment, and start working on the first 2 homework packets. So go through the calendar. I recommend that you print this out, keep it with you, set alarms, set reminders so that you know what's due each week and when you have to submit. Here we have the instructor information, so that's how you can contact me. I have a text number, I have my email address, I respond to emails quickly, so again, feel free to contact me at any time. For the textbook, this is our textbook, Spanish for Healthcare. Unfortunately, they don't have an ebook. There's only a paper book, and it's kind of old, but you can get a used one. You can borrow from the library, whatever you need to do. All the information is there. There's a document here about how to add accents. That's important because you do need to add accents on the quizzes and things. And then because it's an online class, we have our technical requirements. There's also some more important course information there. And then the rest of this, you can look through yourselves later. Under this tab, assignment information, we have again the calendar and then a little further description of each major category of things. So descriptions of the homework, the speaking assignments, all that stuff. Okay, then we have our actual modules. So right now, modules 1 and 2 are open, and then the rest of them, they'll open a few days before the module actually starts. So when we click on the module, you can kind of see it will be set up with an overview video, and then there'll be readings and resources for each week. So you want to go through all of that first, and then the assignments will be at the bottom. I'm going to explain a little bit more about the weeks 1 and 2 assignments in the weeks 1 and 2, in the modules 1 and 2 video. So when you're done watching this one, go watch that one. I think that's about it for the major things. At the bottom here, there's some textbook tutorial videos. They're like grammar videos. They're super boring and they're kind of out of order, but they're there for you. And yeah, so please take some time, go through this page, get familiar with the course, email me if you have any questions. It does move kind of fast, so you want to make sure you stay on top of everything. Like I said, set those alarms, set those reminders, get the book as soon as you can, like order it right now if you're watching this video, if you haven't ordered it already. And that's it. Let me know if you have any questions, and we'll be in touch soon. Adios.